Welcome to English Boost. Today, we're diving into how to sound more natural in daily conversations by mastering the chunking technique. Guest linguist, Dr. Rivera, can you explain what chunking is and why it matters?
Absolutely, Alex. Chunking means grouping words into familiar phrases rather than speaking word by word. For example, native speakers often say, "Could I get a all together?" almost like a single unit, which makes speech more fluid and easier to understand.
So when learners practice "do you mind if," as a chunk, they're not just memorizing vocabulary, but real-life building blocks of conversation.
Exactly. Research from the University of Nottingham shows that chunking can increase perceived fluency by up to 30%. It's like learning the moves in a dance rather than each step individually much smoother.
That analogy makes it so clear. To transition, can you share how learners can practice chunking effectively at home?
Certainly. Repeating phrases aloud, recording yourself, and shadowing native speakers in videos are fantastic ways. Apps like Fluent also let you hear chunks in real contexts, which reinforces natural rhythm and intonation.
Now that we've covered chunking, let's see it in action. One common scenario is ordering at a coffee shop. Dr. Rivera, why is this setting ideal for practicing natural English?
Coffee shops provide predictable but authentic interactions. You often hear phrases like, "What can I get you today?" or "Name for the cup." These are perfect for using chunks in a real-world context, reducing anxiety and boosting confidence.
Let's break down the customer's response. "I'll have a large latte, please. And could I get an extra shot?" How do these chunks enhance the conversation?
They signal politeness and fluency. Saying "I'll have" and "could I get" mirrors native patterns and makes your speech sound more natural. Plus, it helps you focus on communicating your message, not just grammar rules.
That's a great point. Suppose a learner feels nervous in these situations, can practicing these specific chunks help them manage real conversations?
Practicing in low-pressure settings, like role-playing with friends, builds muscle memory. When the real moment comes, the phrases come out naturally, reducing hesitation and making the interaction smoother.
Let's shift gears to pronunciation. Many learners struggle with sounds like the, in, this, and think, or distinguishing ship from sheep. Why are these so challenging, Dr. Rivera?
The th sound isn't found in many languages, so learners substitute it with s or t. As for ship and sheep, the difference lies in vowel length. Native speakers make these distinctions effortlessly, but learners need targeted practice.
Can you offer some effective exercises for these sounds, especially for self-study?
Certainly. For t, place your tongue gently between your teeth and blow air. Try minimal pairs like think versus sink. For ship, sheep, exaggerate the short e and long e sounds. Recording yourself and using pronunciation apps can provide instant feedback.
Are there any research-backed techniques that can help accelerate pronunciation improvement?
Yes. A 2022 study found that shadowing listening and immediately repeating after native speakers improves pronunciation accuracy by 40%. Combining this with visual cues, like watching mouth movements in videos, is even more effective.
To wrap up, let's discuss building confidence through regular practice. Dr. Rivera, how can learners turn these techniques into daily habits?
Setting small, achievable goals is key. For example, this week's challenge. Use "I'll have" or "could I get" at a real cafe. Consistent practice in authentic settings cements your progress and makes English feel less foreign.
And connecting with others, like emailing us their experiences, can reinforce accountability and community, right?
Absolutely. Sharing progress, even small wins, boosts motivation. Plus, hearing other stories reminds you that fluency is about connection, not perfection.
That's a powerful message to end on. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Rivera. Listeners, keep practicing and join us next Thursday for more English Boost.
Thank you, Alex. Remember, every conversation is a chance to grow. Happy learning, everyone!